Hey guys, welcome to Cybersecurity 101 by the Kid Who Traveled. This video series will tell you everything you need to know about the basics of cybersecurity and staying safe online. We'll cover the DPDP Data Protection Act, app permissions, financial fraud safety tips, how to protect yourself on social media, simple ways to identify and differentiate a scam email or message, and what to do in an emergency. Get ready for the most informative and short crash course in cyber safety. This video series was made in collaboration with a cybersecurity expert, Mr. Prem Kumar, who has over 25 years of experience in the cyberspace. Let's dive right in with the most important question. What is cybersecurity?
So, in today's world, cyber safe is the basic lock your home. Cyber security. How do you secure all the devices that you are using?
If you're watching this, you already know how important it is to educate ourselves on cyber safety. One careless click can turn into financial loss. So, what are we up against? Some of the most common cybercrimes are email frauds, credit card and banking related scams, share market scams, digital arrest calls, job frauds, and lottery frauds. Lottery frauds? Well, it's like this. You receive a random call or email saying you won a lottery or been selected arbitrarily for a prize. All you need to do for this prize to reach you is pay a nominal shipping fee. Delighted, you pay the fee. Next, all you have to do is pay some service charges. You pay up. Oops, the payment failed. Please repeat the transaction. Share the OTP so that your prize can reach you. You share the OTP and your bank balance empty. You've been scammed. Learning how to stay safe online helps make sure you never fall prey to these crimes. Let's now debunk a really common myth about cyber safety.
People think cybersecurity is the responsibility of the service provider. So, bank has to be secure. Bank has to be having proper systems. All those things. Government has to put proper policies in. But policies are there. Procedures are there. Are you following?
So, I suppose the lesson from this video is we all need to learn how to stay safe online to protect ourselves and our loved ones. Stay on top of the world of online safety with this Crash Course video series. This is Cybersecurity 101 by the Kid Who Traveled.